If we have the expression 21 plus 9 divide followed by open parenthesis 9 minus 6 close parenthesis times 2 square, then what is the correct answer of this question? Many people when solving this question go to straight. It means first they do addition. 21 plus 9 gives us 30 divide sign followed by open parenthesis 9 minus 6 close parenthesis 2 square. And the next step, they solve parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis here is subtraction 9 and 6 between. So 30 divide open parenthesis here is 9 minus 6 gives us 3 times 2 square. Now here one is division, multiplication and exponent, but many people solving first division 30 and 3. So instead of this expression gives us 10 times 2 square. Now they do exponent. It means 10 times 4, and finally they do multiplication between 10 and 4 gives us 40. But absolutely this answer is wrong. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question we must follow a rule that is called PEMDAS. PEMDAS. In PEMDAS rule, here is P is parenthesis, E for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. As you can see on the screen, and this expression first here is addition, then division, then parenthesis, and finally here is square. It means exponent. According to PEMDAS rules, first we do parenthesis because parenthesis is a higher priority than other operations than exponent. So first we do parenthesis, and here is parenthesis is 9 minus 6. It means subtractions. So instead of this expression we write here 21 plus 9 divide sign followed by open parenthesis. Here is 9 minus 6 gives us 3 times 2 square. Now in this expression there are 4 signs: addition, division, multiplication and exponent. So according to PEMDAS rule we do exponent because exponent is a higher priority than other operations. So first we do exponent. Now so instead of this expression we write here 21 plus 9 divide 3 times 2 times, it means 2 squared means 4. Now in this expression division, multiplication and addition, according to PEMDAS rule, division and multiplication always work from left to right, and also addition and subtraction work from left to right. So first do division because division has a higher priority than other operations. First do division. So instead of this expression we write here 21 now plus 9 divided by 3 gives us 3 times 4. Now multiplication because multiplication is higher priority than addition and subtraction. So instead of this expression we write here 21 plus 3 times 4 gives us 12, and finally 21 and 12 gives us 2 1 is equal to 3 and 1 2 is equal to 3. 33 is the right answer.